Hi, welcome back to our channel here at Travelworld, and today I will be showing you around the Niesmann+Bischoff iSmove 6.9e. This vehicle weighs in at 4.5 tonne and is built on a Fiat chassis. It comes in at just under 7 metres long with a 2.2 litre engine and 180 brake horsepower. This right-hand drive automatic vehicle is able to sleep and travel up to 4 people. Now let's show you around this motorhome. Make sure you leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's talk through some of the exterior features of this vehicle. This iSmove is equipped with a central locking system and solar panels. This vehicle is in the Eiffel Grey colour, providing you with a really unique motorhome, especially as it's paired with the carbon optic and lava orange graphics. As we move into the interior, it's great to note that this vehicle has a winter pack, a driving comfort pack and a multimedia pack. Let's start by taking a quick look at the interior before we go more in depth. What do you think so far of this motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. Starting in the lounge area of this iSmove, we can see we have got the Temptation leather, which provides a really bright and spacious feel. And the dining table in this vehicle folds out or in to provide you with more space. We can see here we've got the agouti cab seats and also the manual drop-down bed, which is really well hidden in this vehicle just above. And now, just quickly touching upon the attention to detail in this vehicle is amazing, with the Sonos soundbar and lots of additional features. A quick demonstration on the innovative lighting panels. Simply wave your hand over and they will show up. These panels really are a genius feature in this vehicle, allowing you to use the lighting in your vehicle and other features with ease. Now it's time for us to move on to the premium kitchen in this vehicle. This kitchen is well designed and well equipped. The 2-ring hob allows you to cook great meals when on the road, and if you're wondering where your fridge freezer is, it is hidden away in one of these cabinets, providing you with a great amount of space. This kitchen transforms into an even larger kitchen, blocking off from the bedroom at the rear. The transformation is super simple to do. You can see here that the shelf is lowering. This is done by the panels shown earlier in the video. This iSmove is equipped with the single to double bed conversion, which provides you with so much space. The bed is surrounded with the Breeze oak cupboards. And if that wasn't enough storage, don't forget the underbed storage and the storage in the steps that you use to access these beds. And finally, let's move on to the bathroom of this motorhome. The bathroom in the iSmove is a luxury transformative bathroom. You can see here that nothing was missed when it came to making these bathrooms, with really good storage and a great size mirror providing you with all you will need. With the simple slide of a door, you will reveal the other part of your bathroom. The door panel will slide along and reveal your shower washroom area. Not only is this a perfect amount of space, but it also looks great. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And that was our video on the Niesmann+Bischoff iSmove 6.9e.